It's fresh, it's new, it's modern, and I think a lot of people can relate to the pressure of finding what you want to do in life really early.
It's a comedy, but it's touching, but with the elements of the bonkersness, if that's a word.
It's so new as well, and I think it'll be quite a good influence for other works in the future as well.
Dwi'n meddwl mae fe amdan trio ffeindio dy hun allan, cael trwy rhywbeth sydd yn anodd I chi a gweld taith ferch sydd yn stryglo eitha lot a sydd angen ffeindio ei hun cyn I hi allu ffeindio math be mae hi rili eisiau.
It's about like a young girl who, until this point, she knows what she wanted to do with her life, and for no particular reason, all of a sudden she starts doubting it, and she's trying to just navigate her own way through.
It's really raw and it's truthful to us in our journey, and I think that is reflected really clearly in our performance as well.
I've really enjoyed it, and I love how fast the whole play has come together in such a short amount of time. The fact that everyone's getting along so well, we've got that trust, and therefore we can really play with the whole piece more.
I'm most excited to see how people react to the bizarre characters in the play.
Yeah, that's a really good one. And also seeing how our characters progress throughout.